Hear me.
I tell you what, you need to shut your mouth, boy. I said, yes, sir, I will. Boosh. A big old thing with duty in his face, right? I didn't shut that up. And he'll quit.
He'll quit working there?
Yeah. I said I made about 40 of them quit working. About 40 of them, they were going out the door left and right. You know, and then all the inmates joined in and everybody started throwing shit, right? When they seen how powerful it was, and people actually fought with that shit. You know, come out, ain't no knives and nothing, bring that duty, nigga. Can you fight with this? Motherfuckers take off running and all this shit, man. I mean, it was wild in there, man, but I invented that. And so they kept going to the state captain, asking them to pass laws. And state captain telling them, y'all work that down